have I got something special for you. This is a Dollar Tree wireless earbud, and it's $5. And it's hold on, it's from Acceleries. like Flossie Carter would say, "What's everybody? It's both of us back with another video." Shout out to him. He loves the earbuds. He loves earbuds like these. But this is $5 at the Dollar Tree. Are they good? Listen, I don't know. I already opened the box, undid the tape and all that stuff to save time, and we're gonna open this, and one's blinking. Okay, so I like the box. This is a nice box, man. Like, you know, and just the case right here, right? Looks good. Plastic, but what do you expect? Now, thanks for that. And as you can see, there's one that's blinking. So I'm gonna put these in my ear, like that. Just put in your ear, kind of like AirPods. So I'm gonna put them in my ear like this. It comes with it comes with extra stuff as well. A cord, USB-C. That is awesome. Thank you, Dollar Tree. USB-C, you can't go wrong with USB-C. Okay, I want to play some music right now. And what should I play? Let's see, all my let me look at a song that y'all like. How about I can't play the real music on here because of copyright, so Lionel Richie. Let me hook it up to my earbuds. Alright, it's playing right now. I don't know if you can hear that. Holy, yo, the quality is amazing. Are you? Hold on, yo, yeah, I'm tripping right now. Hold on. These were $5. These were $5, and the sound quality is better than I thought. Are you freaking kidding? I am shocked right now. Holy. I am shocked. Let me see what happens in the case. Look at that, sick. It lights up. Look at, see that? The charging case lights up. That's sick right there. Look at that. That's sick as hell. Look at that. So you can charge your case and have these cool colors. And the battery, they say the battery is going to last up to, I really don't know if the battery, you know, false advertising could be. 20-hour playtime. Hold on, let me see the back of this goddamn thing. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Touch control, long-lasting 20 hours total, superior call quality. Ladies and gentlemen, I am shocked at this. This is a Dollar Tree item that I did not expect to be this good. So, when you go to the Dollar Tree, look for this. I'm going to be trying the other ones too while I go there. Gemstone Pro, Supreme Sound. Is this better than a $50 wireless earbud? No. But it is for $5. You cannot beat this price at all. This is a shock to me. I'm shocked. So, thank you for watching. Shout out to Flossie Carter. I know Flossie Carter loves reviewing these. And I thought of him when I picked this up because it looked pretty sick. For $5, you cannot beat this. You cannot beat this. So, let's see, right there. Let me turn the light off. Let me show you how bright this thing is. How's that look? You see that? Look at this. That is sick. That's charging my earbuds. That is sick as hell. Now you gotta lay it down like this. That is sweet right there. Yeah, look at that. And it's fast charging too. That's the percentage. So 97% charged. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. More reviews are on the way. I have to go. I have to put these away. On to the next review. Thank you.